Time for weather. Meteorologist Lindsay Riley is joining us now with our weather impact forecast. And Lindsay, we're going to be feeling the humidity out there tomorrow.
We sure are. And actually through the weekend, we have 3 more days of the extreme heat. Today, we didn't warm up as hot here in the valley because we had that dust from last night's dust storm blanketing the valley for a little bit. So we only hit 107. It was a little bit warmer out toward Lake Havasu. 90s though still from Prescott to Payson into Show Low, and 99 this afternoon in Winslow. Still have some areas of rain-cooled air. Flagstaff, Sedona, Prescott in the 60s and 70s right now. It's 83 in Window Rock, 97 degrees in Safford. Here's the dew points, which have come up significantly. A lot of low to mid 60s over the lower deserts, meaning you notice the humidity out there. And when you take the temperature, you can safely add about 4 to 5 degrees on the temperature. So today's 107, likely felt closer to 111 at least out there this afternoon, and tomorrow we're headed for 113, and we're going to keep the exact same humidity level. So add 4 to 5 degrees to this, and that is what it's going to feel like. That's why we still have the extreme heat warning through Sunday. We're running 6 to 8 degrees above average. Then next week we do fall below 110 again, closer to average highs by Tuesday, and it is going to be accompanied with rising storm chances next week. Now storms are fizzling out along the rim and the White Mountains. We have a few thunderstorms just west of Safford. Still very active though around Prescott, Sedona area, Flagstaff, and out toward Williams. You can see a lot of areas of heavy rain coming down, even eastern parts of Mojave County. So some of this activity is going to try to make a push toward the valley. Can't rule out if we get an isolated shower or two over the lower deserts tonight. The dust potential is lower because the direction of these storms coming from the high country isn't responsible for producing as much dust as the ones that start closer to Tucson. Now tomorrow's high 113. It's going to be muggy with 99 in Sedona. Payson seeing thunderstorms during the afternoon, and we'll have those thunderstorms around Flagstaff, Show Low, and Safford as well, with 4 is on the monsoon meter in some of those locations. Flagstaff next week, we're looking at 70% chance for storms every day. And by next Thursday, the high is only going to be 73. 3 more days of extreme heat in the valley, lower temperatures next week with higher storm chances. Mark?
Linz, thanks.